over the next few weeks, I will be bringing authors who will be here to share their school and childhood memories, stories that will make us laugh, reminisce, and reconnect. So we've had a couple of sessions where we invited authors and it was great interacting with them. So today also we have Dr. Saroj Salekar joining us. So let me try to invite her as we speak. So Dr. Saroj Salekar is a doctor by profession. So she has got around 18 years of experience. She is an author and she has written a wonderful book, Arjuna in Me, which actually is a story about a middle-aged lady who undergoes depression after childbirth as she is bringing up her children. And she has used the teachings of Bhagavad Gita to actually, showcase how the lady comes out of the depression and gets back to her life. So it's a wonderful read. So if you get a chance, please do take a copy of Arjuna in Me, written by Dr. Saroj Salekar. Let me just try inviting her again. Hello, Mahalakshmi. So basically, in this session, their childhood memories, their school memories, and basically what we are trying to understand is how was there, writer bug in them when they were in the school, and what other things they got inspired, whether from their teacher or from some mentor, and how is their life come up. Hey, Saroj, Dr. Saroj, I've sent you an invite. Hope you have received it. Let me try. Inviting you again. I hope you've got the invite. Hello, Dr. Saroj. Hey.
Hi,
Hi. Yes. Oh, you're driving. Okay.
yeah. Last did some change of plans.
Okay. So is it okay to do it when you're driving? Are you comfortable?
No, I'm not driving. I'm in the passenger seat.
Okay. It seems like you were driving. Okay. Fine. Okay, so let's get
I can
started.
see your video.
You can't see my video, but I can see you well.
Okay.
Okay, so Dr. Saroj, I think it'll be good if you can share, your author journey and being a doctor. How did you get into this writing journey? And also, we would want to know where you studied. How did your schooling begin?
Yeah. Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Saroj Salekar. I'm a physician and I studied in Goa. I'm from Goa. And my author journey began just recently. I have published my book, The Arjuna in Me. You can see?
Yes.
So
Can see
that's
that.
an Amazon already. Yeah, uh, that's it, I think.
So did you start writing during school days, or is it just happened?
No,
After
I used to write a book earlier also. I actually mainly wrote poems and a little
Okay.
bit of essays kind of stuff. This is my first time I'm trying fiction. I'm Guys, it will work very well also. So otherwise, I used to write poetry and just small anecdotes which I used to keep to myself.
Okay. 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 So I have read the book. I was just telling, the audience that I've read the book. I've loved it. So talking about so you did your entire schooling in Goa, Dr. Saroj?
Yes, yes. I have college Goa.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice. So can you share us one funniest or one memorable moment from your school life?
Now, um, in school, I was very studious and a reserved kind of person. So, my best friends were books. And the other hobby which I had was singing. I was part of the school singing group. So every year
Mm-hmm.
we used to attend different functions and state level competitions. So one year when I was in ninth standard, we won the state level singing competition in patriotic singing. That was a very memorable and task, I mean, achieved goal kind of for me, and it's very dear.
Lovely, lovely. So do you still sing, or you
Not
live?
much.
Uh-huh.
Let's here and there. Not much.
Okay. 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 So, what's one thing you wish that you could go back to your school days and change?
Uh, when I was in the primary section in the fourth class, I was the class monitor. Uh, we had some class that we had to come back soon. There was one guy who was irritating me. He was refusing to leave the class, and I couldn't leave the class until everyone has gone. And my best friend, she was waiting for me. She was after me like, Saroj, come, we have to go. Saroj, come, we have to go. And this time, Saroj, no, I will not listen to you. I will not listen to you. So there was so much confusion going on in my head, and I don't know. I got very irritated. I wanted to slap that guy, but by mistake, I slapped my friend. That time enjoyed the scene. Then she also got angry and she left. So one thing I would really want to change was the uh, confusion of the mind that occurred at that time. I still
With her, with your friend,
no,
or
we actually lost touch after school.
okay. So if she's watching here, you could tell her
Yeah, yeah,
some.
yeah.
Okay. So you said you loved reading in school. So what were the books that you read?
You know, I read Oliver Twist. I read all the classics. I was My favorite were mysteries. I loved the Famous Five and the Nancy Drew series were like, I used to read one book in a day. So
Hmm.
much crazy I was about those books. And our library was full of all these stocks. So I
Okay.
have read most of the books in the library at that time. And the Hardy Boys series and the Nancy Drew series, if you remember at that time, the famous five, Agatha Christie. I mean, so many books I have read that time, but so my favorite, the mystery series of Nancy Drew.
Okay. Okay. So did you prescribe to any magazines? Because I remember when I was growing up, my dad used to prescribe the Young World, by Hindu, and we used to get that at home. So did you have
Yeah,
something like that?
yeah. There was, that Mita magazine which used to come in from USSR.
Yeah.
That was one magazine, and Gokulam which was there
That,
that I
right.
subscribed to. And I was so upset with my mother because when this Misha stopped coming, I almost fought with her like, why you are not getting me that book? Because I used to love it.
Right.
It has very beautiful glossy pages and Russian and all was taught in that. And very beautiful
Right.
stories. I learned the concept of pen pal. And
Exactly.
so I was very upset with my mother. Why like you are not getting this book? It stopped after USSR broke down, no, into Russia and
Hmm. Right, right. Yeah, when I had subscribed, yeah, you get those wonderful, you could write to a pen friend and they would write back. So that was
That was our social media at that time.
right, exactly, exactly. So, um, so now are you, do you read books like you go back and read mystery or how is it? Or you have
I don't
moved
read
down to
mystery
more
much now. Now I read more of self-help or spiritual books. And
okay,
I do read
spiritual.
some fiction sometimes. Not
Okay,
much.
okay, okay, okay. So, if you could go back to your school with the knowledge that you are now a writer, you know, what would you do differently?
Yeah, as a writer, no, you need lots of ideas and you need but so many things. I would, if I had known it earlier, I would have started writing my diary because there is so many, every moment we don't realize that today something has happened and we feel, okay, it's not so important. But if you see, 1 month later, 1 year later, those small incidents it's been like one story which has occurred. So I would really have written my diary. I would have so many anecdotes to tell you today.
Right. So at that point of time, did you, in your school days, did you want to become a writer or an author or a doctor at that point? Did you think about those lines?
Yeah, doctor was on my mind. I never thought about writing and all that such as a career. It was just my interest. But yeah, doctor
Okay.
was what I thought when I was studying only.
Oh, okay, okay, nice, nice. And I think you already answered the next question I was planning to ask you. Did you ever maintain a journal or a diary during your school days? And
Actually, I
you said
tried.
you,
I
okay,
tried, but I wrote for 1 or 2 days, and then I couldn't. Actually,
okay,
what is it fun to writing? Hardly any important thing is happening in my life. But now, if I think like these small moments actually make our life, na? Small moments.
exactly, exactly, exactly. So, what was your favorite subject at school?
Maths and science.
Maths and science. Oh, okay, okay, nice. So, you were always a class topper, or how was
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
Right, nice. Okay, so we have some audience here. So for the audience, I would just want to ask the question is, if you could describe your school life in 3 words, what would it be? So we would want to know. And even to Saroj, what would you say about, in 3 words, your school life?
My school life was reading, singing, fun.
Okay, reading, singing, and fun. Nice. So I have three rapid fire questions, Saroj, for you.
Understand?
So it's basically just a quick, yeah, it's just going to be fun just to know. Okay, so front bench or back bench?
Front went.
Front bench, okay. History or maths? I think this would be very easy for you.
Actually, both, but maths first.
Maths first. Okay. Summer vacation or winter holidays?
Summer vacation. We hardly have any winter in Goa, so we don't have any winter break as such. Summer vacation was two
Okay.
months.
Okay, okay, nice, nice. So Mahalakshmi is saying school life was sports. Okay, thanks, Mahalakshmi, for sharing that. So,
Hi,
so,
Mahalakshmi.
Dr. Saroj, is there anything that you want to ask me?
Yeah, I heard your book is coming out. What is your book about? What are you writing right now?
So my book is the book that I'm working on is called Bankwali Karishma and Other School Stories. So it's a collection of hilarious 7 school stories. So those who are in school or those who have left school will definitely enjoy this and a lot of illustrations. So I hope to have this out by Jan end.
Oh,
So those who are
yes,
interested can go to my website www.rashmisujesh.com to get the pre-order, so I'll be happy to announce it as soon as the book is out. Thanks for
all the
asking.
best. All the best.
Okay, Mahalakshmi is telling hello, doctor. She's saying a hi to
Hi,
you.
Mahalakshmi. Where are you? Bangalore from? You're from Bangalore.
Yeah, Mahalakshmi Bangalore, so she definitely has to be from Bangalore.
Yeah.
Okay, so coming to the last question I have, Dr. Saroj, is can you recommend one book? In fact, I'll ask you two questions. Can you recommend one book other than yours that every young reader should read?
Uh, Actually, there is a book which my daughter has written when she was 5 years old.
Oh,
That is The Adventures of Soumi and Saman. It
oh,
is illustrated. It is illustrated with glossy pages, and I have
okay.
two copies of this left, but it is available on e-version on Amazon. So if anyone wants e-copies, they can buy from Amazon, or they can ask me directly for hardcover. So what was the second question you said?
Well, what exactly is this book about? Is it some message in the story? Or?
Yeah, they are small short stories for children.
Okay. She wrote it when she was 5 years. Oh my.
Yeah, she had written and I published them.
Okay, and how old is she now?
She is 13.
13. Okay, lovely. So yeah, so people, if you are really enjoying that book, then please go ahead and check out Dr. Saroj's daughter's book.
It is Adventures of Soumi and Saman.
Adventures of Soumya and Saman. Okay, so it's available as an ebook on Amazon. Nice. Okay, and one last thing before we go is what is one piece of wisdom that you can share to children, who are studying?
Who are studying?
In terms of reading, reading skills. Okay.
Consistency. They have to be consistent with goals and study time.
Study time, right? Exactly. And that's coming from a doctor. Because she has put in a lot of effort right from childhood, right? You had a goal to become a doctor and you are finally here. So yes, consistency always helps. Yeah. And how about reading? Do you think reading is important for children?
Yes, absolutely. This reading is a fun way to learn new words, to learn concepts, to learn the language, and you enjoy also. So reading is very important. Rather than listening to the stories, it is best they read because their vocabulary also improves. They learn the language. They learn a new story. There is a lot of learning happening through reading.
Absolutely. I think that is it. Is there any question for Dr. Saroj from the audience? Mahalakshmi, anything you want to ask Dr. Saroj or me? We'll be happy to take that. Anything else, Dr. Saroj, you want to share before we go?
What was your first book?
My first book was Megha's Autumn Equation. It's a story about a girl who hates maths.
Oh.
Children. Right. Okay, Mahalakshmi is asking a question. Which language does a writer think?
Actually, I think you mostly tend to think in your mother tongue. That goes for me. What about you, Rashmi?
Yeah, for me, I think in English. Yeah, mother tongue is coming later, but yeah, so it depends. Yeah, for me, it's more of English and Hindi, a sort of way of thinking. But I think when we say a writer think, maybe we will think more of how the readers will think, whether we have to write the book according to how they want, right? When we put on the reader's hat, irrespective of the language, I think we try to think from a reader's perspective.
Right. Very true.
Yeah. Thanks for asking, Mahalakshmi. Thank you, Dr. Saroj, for joining in. I hope you have a safe travel wherever you're going.
Thank you so much for having me today.
Thank you. It was good.
All the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.